Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, stability control, power brakes, braking assist, traction control. Inside you'll find rear view camera, heated steering wheel, audio radio, touch screen display, CarNet satellite communications, audio speed sensitive volume control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, vehicle assistance app, roadside assistance, multifunction display, child safety locks, one-touch windows, 4. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.